Hey guys, this is Sukhveer. I welcome you guys on my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get notifications. In this video, I'm gonna share with you one trick of Microsoft Word, that is Format Painter. Let's see. Let's learn Format Painter. We can find Format Painter under Home in the clipboard section. This brush type is a Format Painter symbol. What we can do with this, we can copy a format from any element, for example from this text, and we can apply it to any another text. So for example, I applied some formatting here, like I did it italic, bold and underline. I also changed the font size and font of this text, so I want to apply that here. So one way is I can do it manually, like step by step, like I can make it bold and then italic and then underline. However, there is one easy way, that is Format Painter. So to do that, firstly click here. So we have to put our cursor here and then click on Format Painter. So if we click it once, it will copy it the format. So see, the symbol is changed now. So we are carrying the brush. So if we select this text, it will apply the format. So if we want to apply here, we have to do it again. However, there is another way. We can apply it to multiple places. To do that, same, we have to put our cursor here. Then we have to do a double click on the brush. So if we double click it, it will lock the brush formatting, and then we can apply at multiple places. So see, we have applied the same formatting just in a one step. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Format Painter in PowerPoint. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Format Painter in Microsoft PowerPoint. Format Painter is used to copy a formatting from one place, from one element, and apply it to another place. So let's see how we can use it. So first of all, on this first picture, I'm gonna apply some formatting. So let's apply some border. So I'm gonna use this border, and let's put some picture effects. I'm gonna put a shadow. This one. Okay, so now we gonna put this same formatting to this picture. So one way to do that is I can apply border from here and then shadow from here. However, there is another way, that is Format Painter. So where we can find Format Painter? Format Painter is under Home and on Clipboard section. So this brush thing is a Format Painter. So how we can use it? So first of all, from here we want to copy. So we have to select this element, then click on Format Painter brush. So see, our cursor symbol is changed. So now we are carrying a brush. So then we have to select the element where we want to apply that format. So this picture, click here. See, it copies all the formatting to this picture. So this is how we can copy a formatting from one element to another element in Microsoft Word. So this is how we can copy a formatting from one element to another element in Microsoft PowerPoint. Here I'm gonna show you how to use Format Painter in Microsoft Excel. Format Painter is used to copy a formatting from one place and we can apply it to another place. So that means we can copy from one element and we can apply it to another element or multiple elements. So here, like in this cell on this text, I have applied some formatting. I made the color red, italic and bold, and I also changed the font and font size. So I want to copy this formatting and I'm gonna apply here. Let's see how we can do that. So we have to select this text. We have to select this cell and then click on the Format Painter brush. So see, our symbol is changed now. So I'm gonna click on this cell. See, the format is applied. So if we want to apply here, we have to go back to the same step. However, there is another way. So to do that, we have to select same like this cell, the formatting cell from where we want to copy. And if we double click the brush, it will lock the formatting and then we can apply it to multiple times. So like I'm gonna apply here, So see, I have applied twice. So if we clicked once, then we can apply it only at one element. If we want to apply at multiple places, then we can click twice. So like double click. So if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.